4. Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. Okay. So till now we have done 2 chapters, right? The first chapter was dealing with the food, and you already know what is food and the types of nutrition that you get from the food and the importance of taking food, and the chart which you have learned how to maintain your balanced diet. Along with the regarding to the second chapter, you have learned about the teeth, the functions of the teeth, the types of the teeth, and how important is to keep your teeth neat and healthy. Yes? So with the same kind of topic that today we are going to learn is about the human body and the digestive system, which is also as equally important for you to know about it. So yes, as we know that our body is composed of several organ systems which work together in order to make the body to function properly. So as we take food, we don't get directly the energy from the food. First, the food should be get digested, right? In order to get digested, what are the procedures? Yes, the food doesn't go inside our stomach and doesn't come out just like that. There are several processes in which we have to know that how food is digested. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about the topic that is the digestive system of human body. Okay. So before proceeding to the chapter, okay, what you will have to know is what is digestion. For that, you have to see on the board. Yes. The digestive system is the organ system that deals with the digestion of food. The process by which the food is broken down into the simpler forms so that it can be easily absorbed by the body is called digestion. Got it? So, it is a process where the food is broken down into a smaller form, and from where the nutrition is absorbed. That is known as digestion. For this, there are mainly 8 organs which help in digestion of food. Starting with mouth. Okay, the first organ of the digestive system is mouth. Here in mouth, it consists of teeth and tongue. Now what is the function of teeth? As you have learned in the second chapter. Yes. Chewing of food or biting the food or breaking down the food. Yes. And what is the function of tongue in the mouth? It is a fleshy organ which helps in the mixing of food with the saliva that contained in our mouth. Then after, it helps us to swallow the food. And it is said that the digestion starts from the mouth, right from the mouth itself. And the mouth is the first organ that starts with the digestion. Okay, coming to the next. After the food is chewed and when it is swallowed, it passes through the food pipe. Food pipe is an organ, or it's a pipe from where the chewed food as well as the water gets passed through it, and it is also known as esophagus. Okay, then after the food is swallowed, it comes right into the stomach. Now what is stomach? Okay, stomach is J-shaped back like a structure. Okay, now what is the function of the stomach? Here once the food is supplied to the stomach, what happens? Once the food is supplied to the stomach, the digestive juice from the stomach, it further breaks down the food, and it breaks down the food until it changes into the pulp like a thick paste known as chyme. Okay. Then further, this undigested, or this kind of a semi-digested food is passed to the small intestine. Then what happens in small intestine we are going to know. But before that, what is the function of liver? Yes, liver also supplies, or it provides digestive juice, and this whatever the digestive juice that is supplied by the liver is being stored in gallbladder, and as well as pancreas also provides strong chemical substance known as enzymes. These are the chemical substance that is present inside in order to digest, in order to help you to digest the food, especially in the small intestine. Okay, the small intestine is long, as in the structure, it is a long coiled organ. Okay, and what happens here? Once the food is supplied here, the semi-digested food is supplied in the small intestine with the help of the digestive juice from the liver as well as pancreas. It further breaks down the food, and it is said that digestion completes here in the small intestine. And further, and it is also said that, it is not said, it is true that in the smaller intestine, once the food is been broken down into once the food is broken down, what happens? Here digestion gets completed and the nutrition is absorbed into the blood. Then the blood supplies the nutrition to different part of the body. From here, the digested food is again passed to the larger intestine, and it is said that larger intestine is a long and a big tube, or it is also known as large bowl. Here the undigested food is being passed from the small intestine. So what happens next? Here the undigested food is being stored in the large intestine, as well as the remaining water is being absorbed by the larger intestine. So after that, once the water is absorbed from the undigested food, that it changes into waste material or a waste product. Then further, the waste product or the waste material is pushed into the rectum, and rectum, it connects the large intestine and anus. The main function of rectum is to store the waste material or a waste product for a shorter period of time. Afterwards, it is passed through the anus, and anus is the last organ of the digestive system through which the unwanted waste is been eliminated, or it's been removed from the body. And yes, in order to make the proper functioning of the digestive system, you need to chew the food properly. If you chew the food properly, then it will be a kind of a help for the digestive system to digest the food and to absorb the nutrition from the food, and it helps to absorb the nutrition properly. So it is very most important to chew the food properly. That's why our elders always advise us not to speak while eating food. Okay? For proper digestion, you need to chew the food properly. That helps for the healthy digestion. And along with that, we have the irregular, we know that the waste product is also known as feces. Okay? So feces is, it is very important to remove the waste product from our body. So in order to remove the waste product of our body, three most important things that you have to remember for the regular good bowel movement, that is, you need to chew the food properly, and it is utmost important that you have to eat balanced diet, that is really the food that really consists of fiber. Along with that, you need to drink plenty of water. So these help the digestive system to work or to function properly. Okay? So let us recapitulate what we have learned today. The first and foremost that we have learned is the digestive system. The digestive system is something that deals with breaking down of food and absorbing of the nutrition from the fruit into our body. And we also came to know that there are 8 types of organs that helps in digestive system, starting with mouth, then we have got food pipe, then we have got stomach, then we have got small intestine, large intestine, rectum and then we have got anus. Along with that, yes, liver and pancreas also works in digestion of food. Okay, this is what we have learned today. Hope you will go through the textbook that is on page number 21. You go through it for your better understanding, and yes, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.